How to reset Roblox password without email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to reset your Roblox password even without an email. So if you're new here, please subscribe by clicking the button below and additionally consider giving this video a like. So I'll be covering two different methods for resetting your Roblox password, one without an email and other with an email. So this process can get a bit tricky even when using email. So without any further delay, let's dive right into the steps. Firstly, as you can see that I'm currently using Google. Let's begin by navigating to the official Roblox website and simply search Roblox on the Google and click on the official site, which should resemble the standard Roblox page. I will be demonstrating two methods, as previously mentioned, one involving your email and the other without it. To start, click on Login. It might autofill my credentials, but disregard that for now. In case you've forgotten your password like I have, click on Forgot Password or Username and you will see a few options to proceed. You can now input your email to reset the password, and if accessing the email poses an issue, let's explore an alternative method. A recommended approach without using email is to utilize your phone number, as many users link their phone numbers to their Roblox accounts. This can be a convenient option. Complete the verification process and regain access to your account. Alternatively, for those opting to reset using an email, simply input your email address, follow the prompts, and check your inbox for the further instructions. Upon submitting your email, you will receive an email with the instructions on resetting the password. Remember that besides email and phone number, there could be other methods such as providing purchase receipts for the Roblox, and contacting Roblox support with such proof might help recover your account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If so, feel free to subscribe below for more content like this. Until next time, take care.